Hello guys, it's me Madina, and today I will show you how to do a fall theme marble nail design. Let's get started. Before we begin, here are my last nails with a snake skin effect. If you want to know how I did this, check out my last video where I explain everything. Now I'm going to remove them. Since I used the peel of base coat last time, the tips come off pretty easily. I just use a gentle push with the orange stick. As you can see, they come off without much effort because of peel of base, making this process quick and mess-free. So here are my peelies, and I do have a special peelie box where I keep all my designs. If you want to see it, comment down below. After the gel tips are removed, there might be some leftover residue on my nails. I'm using a cotton pad soaked in rubbing alcohol to wipe away any remaining gel or peel of base coat. This step is essential to ensure we have a clean surface before moving on to the new design. Next, I'm applying a peel of base coat. This will make removal just as easy next time. I'm applying a very thin layer, focusing mostly on the center of the nail and letting it air dry for about 30 seconds. A thin application works best for this step. You know it's dry enough when it's a bit tacky but not sticky to touch. Now for the gel tips. For this design I'm going with smaller almond-shaped tips. They are elegant and work really well with this type of design. I love the shape for fall. It's chic but also comfortable in everyday life. To make sure the design looks seamless, I'm taking a moment to select the right size for each of my nails. You want the tips to fit perfectly side to side without leaving any gaps or being too wide. This helps the tips look natural once applied. Next, I'm applying a thin layer of gel base coat to my natural nails and then placing a drop into the back of gel tips. I'm pressing the tip firmly into the nail and curing it under the UV lamp for about 1 minute to ensure it stays securely in place. I repeat these steps for each of my nails. Such a pretty extensions are done. If you want in-depth tutorial, let me know in the comments and I will do a whole video about it. Now we are ready for the fun part, creating the marble design. I'm grabbing my palette, a flat brush and the 3 main colors I will be using. These are all fall inspired shades, a light beige, a rich chocolate brown and a deep burgundy. These colors together create a cozy autumn vibe. Next, I'm painting lines of each color on my palette, placing them right next to each other. Then, with an orange stick, I'm gently swirling the colors together to create a slightly mixed marble effect. I don't want to over-mix them, the key is to have that distinct marble look with all the colors still visible. Now I'm applying a thin layer of gel base coat first. This will make it easier for the colors to glide and blend naturally. Then, using a flat brush, I'm scooping up the mixed gel polish from the palette and applying it onto the wet base coat. The colors spread out and create a gorgeous marble effect with very little effort. I keep applying until the entire nail is covered. I am repeating this process for all my nails, applying the same marble technique. Each nail ends up looking slightly different, which I really love. The colors blend together perfectly to create a cohesive but unique design on each nail. Once all the nails are done, I'm sealing the design with a gel top coat to add a glossy finish. After applying the top coat, I'm curing it under the lamp to lock everything in. The last step is to nourish the cuticles and add some moisture back into my skin. I'm applying a nail oil around each nail, which also helps to give the manicure a polished, finished look. And that's it, my fall nails are complete. I love how the colors came together and the marble effect is perfect for the season. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!